everyone, so today I'm just going to be doing a really quick update video because I promised I would make this video, and it is of course regarding my hair. So today I'm going to let you guys know what I use to get this color in my hair. I'm very happy with it and I love the results, and I promised an update video, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So to jump right on in, what I use to get this color in my hair is the Aura Pigmented Mask. This one is in the color, I believe it's called Arctic Gray, and I bought this a while back and I did my review on the shampoo and the conditioner of this, but I hadn't tried the pigmented mask yet because I wanted to see like what the shampoo would do on its own and the conditioner, and so I promised you guys I'd make an update, and today I use this product. Now I do have to say I did end up diluting this product. This is a very intense. If I had not diluted it, it would probably have turned out even darker. But I have a whole lot of these little conditioners that come with like hair dyes. I have the L'Oreal Feria one. That is one of my favorites to do my roots, to lighten it to the blonde color. So I did my roots, and then I of course wanted to add back in the silver. So this is what my hair looks like in the Arctic Gray color. Now mind you, I did dilute it with some conditioner. Now I used about 3 of these little containers. These are 54 milliliters or 1.8 fluid ounces. So I added 3 of these to a bowl, and then I added pretty much all of this except for there was probably just a little bit left in here. So I mixed it all up, applied it to my hair with a tint brush, and I let it set for maybe like 2 hours or so. I always like to leave my hair treatment products for a longer amount of time. I just find that number one, it makes the color a little bit more vibrant, makes it last longer, and two, I get a little lazy. And since it takes me like about an hour to get it all evenly coated into my hair, I want the color to last. So this is what the color looks like. I am very happy with it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous gray color. It does skew just on the tiny bit of like the bluey gray side, but I think as it fades, it will turn a little bit more neutral. But overall, I would still say this is a pretty neutral gray color. So as far as the color, I love this. This is a gorgeous color. I don't know, I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. These are the types of colors I really enjoy. If you want to know about the color you could get from the Arctic Gray color on a bright blonde platinum hair, this is what you can expect. I feel like it went on very evenly. My roots always kind of have a little bit hard time taking the color, but I think it still looks pretty good. So as far as my thoughts on this pigmented mask, I really do like it. It turned out great. The only thing is I do not feel like if I had not diluted the product that this would have been nearly enough to do all of my hair. So that's where the extra conditioner really came in to fill the product. But to be honest, I don't feel like it jeopardized much of the color. Like, of course it diluted it and, you know, took the strength down a little bit, but I still think this is a very strong, vibrant color. So I did like this a lot, but one of these alone at its undiluted, unmixed on its own would not be enough for my hair. And with these being about, I think they're like either $26 or maybe like $28 a piece. I just really don't think I could buy multiple of these and use them all in one go, because I definitely say that this plus 3 more of these was a lot more product than you would ever have in just one of these alone. So my final thoughts on this product, I really did like this. If you are planning on buying any of the pigmented masks, you do get the option to choose like the strength of the pigmentation. I would always say go max strength on the colors because it doesn't change the price of these, and you can always dilute it down later. You kind of like get a little bit more bang for your buck and kind of extend the product a little bit longer. So that's pretty much my thoughts on the conditioner. My hair feels super soft and nourished, like it feels really, really good, and I like that a lot. And I really enjoyed this product, but I don't think I would purchase it again. It was just a little bit too expensive for my taste, even with using the conditioner with it to like stretch it a little bit further. It's just a little bit too expensive for me, but I did enjoy it. So overall, I am pretty happy with this. So I do like this product, but unfortunately, I don't think I would repurchase it just purely from the price standpoint. It was just a little bit too much for me, but it was very nice. I enjoyed it, and I'm glad to have tried it. So that is it for this super quick update video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.